So hello everyone, welcome back to SPECTRACS. And today we're going to print uh, odd numbers until the given number. So how to do that? First we have to get the given number from the user and then print odd numbers till that number. So we have to make sure that the entered number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. So first let us get the input from the user. So n equal to int input, enter the number. For loop, so we're going to use for I n till n. So we will take the values from the number of times. Let's say then we have to check if it is divisible or not. So you're going to use the if loop. If the number is divisible by 2 and the remainder equal to 0, then we're going to print that particular number. That's it. We're not going to use sales but because if it is not divisible by 2, it doesn't do any more action. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Let's say I enter 13. So all the even numbers from 12. So if we don't want the 0, in that for loop in the range, we can change it to 1 to m.